Hi guys, Brendan from All Around Oz. It's funny how you meet people. Cooking a few muffins and doing a couple of videos yesterday. Melissa's gone for a wander around the park. We had way too many muffins to give a couple around. We've come across a guy by the name of Peter who's from EzyAnchor, designs his own things here in Australia. Got yakking and talking about how things up, and he's kindly given us a starter pack of screws and anchors to have a try of. I'm going to show you what's in this pack, just in this short video, and we'll do another video later on when we start setting them up and let you know how they go. So the starter pack comes with a nice lightweight drawstring Hessian bag that's plenty big enough for later on that if you get more pegs or more anchors, the bag will accommodate them. You get a T50 Torx bit. Now this is a standard T50 Torx bit, so easy enough to come by at any hardware shop. If you lose this one, nice and cheap, go and grab yourself another one. Probably be handy to keep a couple in the toolbox. You'll get 4 200mm screw-in pegs. You get 4 280mm screw-in pegs, and you'll get 4 anchors. Try them out. Shorter ones for harder ground, longer ones for slightly loamier sound on the coastal areas and that sort of thing. Yeah, nice and easy starter pack. And they tell me, according to the box that Peter didn't mention yesterday, that there is also a sand peg being designed at this moment too, for us guys that like getting out in the sand on Fraser and that sort of thing. So anyway, that's the starter pack from EzyAnchor. Check them out on the web, have a look at some of the videos and that they've got up on how easy they are to use. We'll go away now and have a play with them over the next couple of weeks and let you know how they go. Cheers, thanks for watching, safe travels.